Welcome everyone again. Good morning all the kids. At this time, you are probably staying at home. So, as you know me already, my name is Pitpanya. I am one of English teachers in CIA. CIA is abbreviation for Cambodia Intellectuals Academy. So today, I will have another lesson to show and to talk with all of you. You will know later. But first of all, I want all of you practice doing small exercises. The exercise is the most important for your body, to make your body strong and fit, as well as nice looking. Are you ready? So now start doing all together everyone. Raise your hand up and wave your hands 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, very good, great job. And then raise your hand up again and shake your hand 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, well done. The next exercise is you have just raise your hand again and hand forward, hand sideward, hand backward, hands down. Oh, very good everyone. So the next, I don't want all of you to do exercise. I want to track your feeling to sing a song with me. My song title is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Understand? I am sure that all of you, some kids have known this song already, but other kids, probably they cannot sing this song well. So now you can practice all together with me. So, are you ready? Yeah, here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yes, great everyone. Right now, I will bring all of you to learn another lesson. The previous time you learned already with me about letter A. Today I will show you another letter. Before showing another letter, I just ask you two questions. My first question is, how many consonants are there in English? Can you answer my question? Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. There are 26 consonants in English. And my second question is, what letter comes after letter A? What letter comes after letter A? Yeah? Can you answer my question? All the kids? Yeah, good. I hear. The letter that comes after letter A is letter B. Yeah, letter B. So now we go together. I will show you. Yeah. Can you see everyone? Letter B. Understand? Every letter has the same shape. I mean that all the 26 English alphabets have a different shapes. Maybe you don't understand my question. You don't understand what I'm saying. Now, to be make sure, I will show you. Yeah, letter B. So one is in my left hand, another one is in my right hand. So you can see they have a different shapes, but they make the same sound. Understand? They have the same sound. Yeah, is letter B. This one is uppercase. Yeah, this letter B is uppercase, and this one is a lowercase. Yeah, lowercase. Normally, this one is called big letter B, and this one normally is called small letter B. So now I stick on the board. I stick these two different shapes of letter B's on the board. So everyone, look at all together and listen to me. The first time and second time you can repeat after me. Yeah. B, 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 B. Yeah. B. And do you know what the sound of letter B? Probably some students, some kids have known already, but others don't know what the sound of letter B. Right now I will show you the sound of letter B. B, 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 B. Yeah. So now you can repeat after me. I can hear your voice. So you can start practice. You can start to practice pronouncing the sound of letter B in your home. Yeah, very good. So the next, I will show you some pictures. Yeah, the pictures, those pictures that the letter start with letter B. Yeah. Can you see everyone? Yeah. What is this? What picture is it? Yeah. Maybe you have known already. Yeah. So now, to be make sure, I will tell all of you about the word of this picture. It is a book. 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 Yeah. And the next picture, yeah, can you see everyone? Yeah, yeah, I will show you. Everyone, do you know what picture is it? Yeah, maybe some students have known already about this picture. Yeah, so to be make sure, I will tell of you about what the picture is about. It is a void. 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 Yeah. The void is a word that starts with the letter B. Yeah. I will stick on the board. On the board. On the board. Yeah. And my last picture that I show to all of you today is what? Everyone, can you see? Can you see my picture clearly? It is big enough. I think it is big enough to make all of you to see my picture clearly. So what fruit is it, everyone? Yeah, some students have already known, but some students they can know, but they cannot pronounce this word well. So today I will lead all of you to pronounce this word, this fruit, this word of the fruit quite better. So everyone, it is a banana. 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 Do you hear me? Banana. Banana. Again, banana. Yeah. So now everyone, we carry on reading the consonant B and the sound of consonant B or letter B. So the first time you have to listen to my reading, and second time I will ask all of you to repeat after me. So, are you ready, everyone? So, listen to me carefully. B, 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 book, book, B, 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 boy, boy, B, 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 banana, banana. Did you hear my voice clearly, everyone? And are you ready? Yeah, so the second step, I ask all of you to repeat after me, one by one, or slowly and slowly. So, we go together. B, 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 book, book, B, 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 boy, boy, B, 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 banana, banana. Yes, I'm pretty sure that all of you can read the letter B and the sound of letter B and the three words that I have a picture on the board. And the next step, I want all of you to learn how to write the letter B. Write both the uppercase and the lowercase. Normally, it's called big letter, and this one normally is called small letter. So now, do you know how to write it? I will show you right now. Don't worry. So, when we write the letter B, that is uppercase, or when we write the big letter B, we have to start from the top, down and stop. And we go back to the top, and we bump, bump. So it means that we start from the top like this, in the like a circle shape, from the left to the right, and we stop in the middle, and then we continue writing it from the central part, go around to the bottom, and stop. So now I show you it again. We start from the top, down, and stop. And we go back from the bottom, yeah, to the top, yeah. We just listen to me carefully. We start from the top, down and stop, and go back to the top. We are bumped, bumped, yeah. So the big letter B, 2 bumps, yeah, 2 bumps. The first one, we stop in a central part, and we continue writing like this from the left to right in the round, yes, in a round shape, in a round way to the bottom. Yeah, later I will show you how to write on the board. And for the small letter B, it is easy, everyone. You can look at me. I will show you how to write it. Yeah, we start from the top, the same as the big letter B. Start from the top, down and stop, and go back. You do not go back to the top. You go back to the central part, to the middle part, and bump. Yeah, bump means that we write from the left to right in the circular way, in a circular wave, like this. Yeah, circular way. Understand? Now see me again. I will show you how to trace or the right letter B, the small letter B, slowly and slowly. Yeah, see me, everyone? Are you ready? So now, everyone, we practice to write or trace the letter B, the small letter B together, everyone. Yeah. Can you see me? Yes. I point my finger on the letter. We start from the top, down, stop, and then we move to the middle part and we bump to like this. Bump, only one bump. So the letter B, you have the big letter B, you have to do 2 bumps, and the small letter B, you do only 1 bump. I hope that all of you can write or trace the letter B, and then I will bring off all of you to write the words of the 3 pictures that stick on the board. Some students can read or know the words of 3 pictures of these 3 pictures on the board, but they cannot write. Right now, I will show you or teach you how to write the words of these 3 pictures. So we go together, everyone. Look at me. Yeah. So the book, the word book, start with the letter B. Yeah. Letter B. And the next consonant is O-O-K. Yes. Book. Yeah. We read book. We read this word book. Yeah. The spelling of this word is B-O-O-K. We read book. Yeah. And the next word, you can see the picture, I point it. We read boy. Boy. And right now, I teach you to write the word boy. The word boy start with the letter The first letter, we start with the letter B. Yeah, B. And the next letter is letter O. And the last letter is letter Y. So we read boy. Boy. Yeah. The spelling or the writing of the letter of the word boy is B-O-Y. We read boy. And the last picture or the last word, you can see the picture. You have known already about this fruit. So this fruit we read banana in English, banana. And the first letter that starts with the word banana is letter B. And the next letter is A, and then N, A, N, and the last letter is A. We read banana, banana. So now we come back to see from the first word, and this time I want all of you to listen to my reading. The second time I want all of you to repeat after me, but right now you just listen to me very carefully or attentively. This word we read book, book, book. The next letter, the next word, boy, boy, boy. And the last word, banana, banana, banana. Yes? Do you catch, everyone? Do you catch my reading? To make sure that you can read these three words properly and well, please repeat after me. Book, book. The next word, boy, boy. The third word or the last word, banana, banana. Yeah? Very good. I can hear your voice. Banana, banana. Yes. So these three words, the first of each word, it started with the consonant or letter B. So today you learn about letter B, both the big and the small letters. The formal saying or reading we call the upper case, and the small one we call the lower case. And also you learned the three words, that the first word started by the consonant B. And you see the picture, I stick on the board. The first one, book. Second one, boy. And the third one, banana. So it is make all of you easy to read, to see the pictures and see the words. That every word fits to the pictures. So then I want to give the time to all of you to read this word again, to read these three words again, and then I will write the letter B, the big letter B and the small letter B on the board for all of you.